Hi friends, I would like to present you a salad recipe, which is one of my favorites. I really like the combination of beef with pickles and walnuts. Of course, beef can be replaced with any other meat, but then the salad will lose its zest. Chop the peeled onions into small cubes. Melt the butter in a frying pan and fry the onion until translucent. Grate carrots on a coarse grater. Put in a frying pan with onions and fry until golden brown. And we remove to cool. Cut the boiled and chilled beef into small cubes and put in a salad bowl. Grind the walnuts. You can of course grind them in a blender, but then the walnuts will be too small and will lose their brightness. We send to beef. We also send the cooled frying to the salad bowl. Cut the pickled cucumber into small cubes. Pickled cucumbers can also be used, but I like pickled cucumbers. We send the slices into containers. Fill with mayonnaise, salt and mix. Glutton salad is ready. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There will be many more tasty and interesting things ahead. See you.